Hi, kids. Yan. So, last time, pinag-aralan natin ang symmetry. Ayan. Pag-aralan natin yung symmetry. Okay. So, line of symmetry. Okay, sabi natin, ang line of symmetry divides sa dalawang figure or shape into two identical parts. Okay. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung identifying days and months. Okay. Pero bago lahat, yan. Ano nga ba ang calendar? What is the calendar? The calendar is a table that shows the year, the months, the days, and the dates of the year. Yan. Okay, like this one. So sabi natin, like what our definition, the calendar is the table show the year. So this is the year. Okay. This is the year. Months. This is the month. The days. This is the day, Sunday until Saturday. And the dates. In dates, yung numerical, the number in the March. Yung 1, 2, 3 hanggang 31. Okay. So, kuha. Okay, the calendar shows us the days, months, year, and dates of the year. Okay. Now, in a year, there are 12 months. So we have 12 months in one year. Okay, they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the months of the year. Again, how many months in a year? We have 12 months. Okay. Before we go on, let's hear this music.
The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year.
They can be 28 to 31 days long. One of them contains a day that you were born on.
January, March, May, July, August, October, December. All at 31 days.
31 days, y'all.
All at 31 days. April, June, September, and November. All at 30 days.
30 days, y'all.
All at 30 days. February has 28 days, but then it's a leap year. It's got
29 days.
It's got 29
29, come on, come on.
days.
Yeah, check, 1, 2, listen. A check, 1, 2,
January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 5 more to go. August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year.
January, March, May, July, August, October, December. All at 31 days.
31 days, y'all.
All at 31 days. April, June, September, and November. All at 30 days.
30 days, y'all.
All at 30 days. February has 28 days, but then it's a leap
1, 2. Yeah. Come on.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Months of the year.
1, 2, 1, 2.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Months of the year.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the months of the year. So there are 365s in an ordinary year. And like this year, it is leap year. So we have 366 days in a year, in the leap year. So leap year goes every 3 months, or 3 years rather. So 365 days in a ordinary year. Okay. During leap year, kids, February has 29 days. Okay, like this year, yung February natin, if I'm not mistaken, we are we have 29 days in our February. There are 7 days in a week. So days of the weeks are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. So these are the days of the week. Okay. So January is the first month of the year. And December is the last month of the year. Okay. Okay. So Sunday is the first days of the week, and Saturday is the last day of the week. So yung every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, these are the school days. Okay, these are the school days in a week from Monday to Friday. Okay, kids. For your activity, okay, you will do page 7 and page 8. Okay, you will do page 7 and page 8 for your activity today. Tomorrow, we will discuss the Araling Panlipunan uh, to do also the worksheet. So you don't need to picture your worksheet and pass to me, because every Wednesday and Thursday, we're gonna check and review all the lessons that we have. So if you have any problems in our lesson, just go to the video and watch it for our lesson for today. Thank you, kids, and I hope that you are good and fine. So tomorrow we will see again for another lesson. Goodbye.